calling.
Hi there, I hope you're staying safe and healthy, happy and sound. Welcome to a brand new vlog. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all of my favorite places in Baguio City. And I'll also be sharing a new property that's on the way from Baguio to Vigan. It's called Santiago Project. It's absolutely stunning. I'm going to give you a tour of that property. I hope you enjoy this vlog of Baguio. I haven't been there in a little over 10 years and it was just such another great homecoming trip. I loved revisiting all the places that I used to frequent when I was a little girl, and all of the memories were just flooding in and it just felt so good. I felt like I was just covered in this blanket of nostalgia and it was so nice. So I hope you enjoy this vlog. In case you're looking for travel inspo to Baguio, or you live in the Philippines and you're looking for inspiration for your next trip to Baguio, I recommend that you keep on watching. We just stopped by here in Candon City to pick up some calamay, and I got a couple of pastillas, which are just little sweets that I enjoyed when I was a little girl. I'm really excited to eat these while we're on the road to Baguio today. Let me do a little haul of what we got. We got butcheron. These look like chicharon, but they're butcheron. Ilocos cornik. These are really good. These are the best corn snack. It's super good. We got the garlic spicy. This is the best flavor. I could eat these every single day. We got some creamy pastillas. I used to love eating these when I was younger. I used to eat the entire bag. It's so good. They're like these small, chewy, sugary, creamy things. Super good. They're made with milk. The last thing that we got is the holy grail. This is calamay. Calamay is sweet. It's sticky. It's like a paste that turns into a jelly.
It's like similar to the taste of sundot kulangot.
Sundot ko lang.
Yeah, sundot kulangot. Di ba, Ma Edwin?
Niti sundot ko langot. They're saying it's like a booger.
Yeah.
But it's really good. It's really sweet. I'll have to show you how I eat it because there's a technique so that you don't get your hands all sticky.
Said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch of your sweet desire. Well, we're all built and right. We just have to hold on through the night. As long as we are watching the fire, we'll be safe from the devil's choir. I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together.
We are leaving our Airbnb. I checked into my friend Nicole's Airbnb.
Yeah. When things go wrong, it's easy to sing a sad song. Seems like nothing comes for free. Yeah. And it won't take a lot. Your fragile soul will soon be strong. I'll carry you so tenderly. What I wanna say is that
I paid 4,500 per night, so in total 9,000 pesos. That's almost $100. And I'm also thinking I might extend another night. We'll see. Right now we're waiting for our Grab, which is the Philippines version of Uber. And we're gonna first go to Burnham Park, and then we're gonna have dinner at a Thai spot called Greyhound Cafe. And then finally we're gonna go to check out the night market at Session Road, which is super exciting. So that's our day today. Here's our Grab. We're now in the Grab. We are en route to Burnham Park.
by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. Breaks my heart seeing you struggle with the things you do, carrying the one on your shoulder. We
are now eating dinner at Greyhound Cafe. It's here in the SM Mall. I've been really enjoying this mall. It's so big. There's so many stores. I feel like I could easily spend an entire day here. I actually performed here on the terrace when I was younger. So I have a lot of memories here in Baguio. And they're all just flooding in while I'm walking around, and it's so nice to just be back home. And it's also obviously so nice to see how much has changed. Greyhound Cafe was never here until I think recently. There used to be a spa here called Misa Spa. I used to go there a lot with my granny and my aunt and uncle, and we would go here and just vibe. This mall means a lot to me, so it's really fun to just spend my first day in Baguio here. So I ordered a Thai iced tea, which I'm super excited about, and I'm gonna show you the rest of the food in a bit.
Away, but I won't quit until it gets better. Even if it takes me forever, stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling.
We're currently at Good Shepherd's Convent, and there's this beautiful view of the city of Baguio, soaking in all the views. It is so nice today too. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's absolutely perfect. It's such a good change compared to where I've been the last couple of days, so it's nice. I'll give you a little tour of this entire place. This is where you could get the world famous ube jam.
Said I love you forever. We can make it together. Hey, we can make it. Yeah. Oh.
It has been such a good day so far checking out all of the places here in Baguio City. We just got dropped off by our Grab from Mines View Park, and now we're currently here at the mansion. So this is a popular destination spot because this is where the president of the Philippines likes to spend his vacations. And then right across the street is Wright Park, which we'll explore after. Admission is free to get into the mansion and explore it. So we're gonna explore it and I'm gonna give you a cute little tour. Okay, I was mistaken. You can't go inside yet. You could just see it from afar. In a couple of months, they're gonna open the doors and you can do tours and check out the inside. morning. It is our last morning here in Baguio. I'm really sad to leave. What we're gonna do now is get ready, clean up, pack up, load the car, wait for Nicole to come and pick up the keys at 10:30. Right now it's exactly 10. And then right when we hit the road, I want to hit up a cafe called Hatch Coffee. I've been meaning to visit, but it's just a bit too far. But it happens to be on the way out of Baguio, so I'm gonna make a pit stop for some really strong coffee. And then on the road home through the mountains, it's super curvy, but there are little stores where you can buy woodwork, such as cutting boards, plates, blankets, chairs, and all the things. So I want to stop by in a few of them and get some things, maybe get some snacks too. And then I want to make another stop at Candon City so that I can get some more calamay. So that's what I have planned for the day. Really fun day. It's going to be a 6-hour drive, but depending on how many stops we make, it's probably going to be stretched out to 7 or 8 hours. So yeah, super excited to go home. I'll show you how the day goes. We did a quick stop at Hatch Coffee. I got the shakerado, which comes with pinipig. It's a crispy rice snack, and it comes with cinnamon and 2 shots of espresso. It's so delicious, so creamy, and I love the added crunch. This is just such a cute cafe. I wish that San Francisco had this, but it's too cold in SF, so. Also, I used cream silk and sunsilk for my hair, because the hard water has just not been very kind to my hair. It's been making my hair look and feel like straw. And I've been using the shampoo that I always use, which I forgot the name. I'll put the name over here. And it's just not working. So I finally used some cream silk in my hair. This is my hair air dried. Granted, I haven't used any heat on my hair at all the last nearly 2 weeks that I've been here, but it looks much nicer and healthy, and it doesn't look fried and ugly. Shout out to cream silk for saving my hair. I'm currently here at Santiago project by Aluminak here in Santiago, Ilocos. It's absolutely stunning. I will say that I think this is perfect for couples because it's super romantic and it has that retreat, self-care and wellness vibe that I love. I'd definitely stay here with my partner if he was here. The rooms are so nice. You should check them out on their website down below. I don't think I could do a tour of the rooms today, but you should totally check it out. We're gonna walk around and take pics and look at all of the artwork that they have here and just check out the property. And I'm gonna give you a cute sneak peek of everything here.